Dear students, come back to next class, next video in math. Now I will discuss about to solve linear equation by elimination method. Let us see this example. Equation number is 1 is the 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Here we observe the coefficient of x and y in the equation first, and second, the coefficient of x in equation 2 is 3 and y is 2. And in second equation, the coefficient is 2 and y is 3. Now how I can equalize the coefficient of x and y? For example, we observe the coefficient of x in equation 1 and equation 2, 3 and 2. Here, equation number first is multiplied by the coefficient with the help of 2, and equation 2 is multiplied by the coefficient 3. Then 2, 3 is 6x plus 4y plus 22. Because 11 is also multiplied by this. This bracket is here and this bracket is also here. 2 multiplied by 3x plus 2 is multiplied by y, and 2 is multiplied by 11, we get 22. So 6x plus 4y and equal to 22. And next equation, 3 is multiplied by 2x, 6x. 3 is multiplied by 3, 9y is equal to 12. Now you observe the sign of 6x and 6x is same, positive. What method should we apply here to eliminate the value of x? The process is the subtraction. In subtraction, equation second is subtracted from the equation 1. Now, if we change the sign of the equation second, this sign will become minus, this also positive change into minus, and this also change into minus. The 6x is in part plus, and minus 6 is also in minus sign. They will be eliminated, and this sign are in negative, and this sign is the also positive. Opposite sign are subtracted. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and y is the sign, because minus sign is greater here. 5y is equal to, this sign is changed into negative also. 22 minus 12 is equal to 10. Then y is equal to, then y is equal to 10 upon minus 5. Y is equal to minus 2. Stop. Putting the value of y in equation 1. We can put the value of y in equation 1 and 2. This is depend on your choice. But here we put the value of y in equation 1. And equation 1 is that 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. 3x plus 2y, if the find the value of y is equal to minus 2 is equal to 11. This is 3x minus 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 4 is equal to 11. 3x, we transpose the minus 4 from left to right, the sign will be changed. 3x is equal to 11 plus 4, 3x is equal to 15, and x is equal to 15 upon 3. The solution of equation is minus 2 and y. The value of y is equal to minus 2. The value of x is equal to 5. The next question, And the important question which come in the board examination is, see this question, questions is same, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, second equation. Now, we want to find this solution has unique solution, no solution, and many solution. What is the condition of both? If A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, unique solution. Intersecting graph आएगा, मतलब graph of both line will be intersect to each other on one point. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2, many solution and graph of both graph of equation parallel to each other, and this equation has no solution also. A many solution. How can find the value of x in many? If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, not equal to C1 upon C2, no solution. Graph of the both equation is coincident, it means overlapping to each other. Now, what is the A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2? A1 is the coefficient of, what is the meaning of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2? A1 is the coefficient of x in the first equation, A2 is the coefficient of the y in second equation, and C1 is the 11, constant value, and 2x is the second equation, so 2 is the coefficient of x, and 3 is the coefficient of y, और C2 is equal to 4. और जो हम ये डिस्कस कर रहे हैं टॉपिक, इसमें हायर लेवल ऑफ द क्वेश्चन बनेंगे जो बोर्ड में आने हैं. अब देखते हैं, इफ A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, then unique solution and the graph of both line will be intersecting at one point. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to, if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2, the condition many solution and the graph of both graph will be parallel to each other. If the condition is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, the graph of both equation is coincident, it means they overlapping to each other and the equation has no solution. Up now this apply this in this question. 3 is the coefficient of A1 of the x and B1 is the coefficient of 2 and C1 is equal to 11. The coefficient of x in equation 2 is the 2 and coefficient of y in equation 3, y is equal to 3 and constant value is 4. Now we want to see this equation has no solution or many solution or no solution, many solution or no solution. Take this condition, student note down these condition. If A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, it means equation has unique solution. This equation can be solved and we find the value of x and y. If the condition A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2 equal, this means the graph has many solutions. We are not able to find the all value of x and y, and the graph of both line are parallel to each other. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, line will be coincident. So what will be condition in this case? A1 is equal to 3 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. They are not equal, it means they have unique solution, and we can find the value of x and y here, and the graph of both equations will be intersecting line.